This video will be exploring what you can export to the US. So what does US import? You know, a number of people always looking for opportunities around the world and trying to explore those opportunities as much as they can. So in the series of video I'll be doing from this channel, I'll be looking at the top importers in the world. You know, you're an exporter, right? And you're going to be shipping product to a particular country. So the question we are asking is, what does these countries import? And I will be looking at the top importers in the world. The largest importers in the world is United States. And the import of United States in 2022 is $3.12 trillion. $3.12 trillion. So we'll be digging deep in this conversation and looking at what are those things that the United States import? What are those things that the United States import? Let's look at the next item of import of the US. These are metal products, different kind of metals, from raw aluminum to iron product, to iron structure, to iron fastener, to metal mounting, to coated flat roll iron, to aluminum plating, to ferro alloy, to iron pipe, to iron houseware, to iron stove, to hot iron, to raw zinc, to scrap iron, to raw nickel. These are and padlocks, semi-finished iron, aluminum structure, pig iron, copper wire, raw nickel. These are different metal products. And the metal product import of the United States is $196 billion. You know, when you look at the metal, some item that US alone import, just a group of products is more than what's a number of countries, even the whole of what's in it? Africa. The whole of African imports. This is like 1/3 of the whole of, even more than 1/3 of the whole of African imports.